we are, Friday afternoon chickens. I took frozen strawberries, put them in the water. My daughter Lizzie suggested the frozen strawberries. And I don't know, I don't think they know what to make of it yet. But the roosters are being vociferous for some reason. This guy, I'm waiting for him to let out a crow. Doesn't like it when I imitate him. I know they hate that. And there's my little girl hiding over there. She's every rooster's favorite in there. She won't come out. She'll come out later. And there's rooster number 2. I don't know where number 3 is. But everybody's just hanging out. It's still hotter than you know what. Well, no eggs today, too. I guess we didn't beat the snake. All right. That's all for today.